Kasi parang, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, this is your first directorial job ng series, di ba? Series ba? This is your first time to direct series?
I've done po with another production, a series na, yes, I got to do a series na po, not with Viva po.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Pero what are your challenges you encounter doing this? Especially yung mga, itidirect mo is mga Gen Z, di ba?
Parang bata ka, ramdam ko nga yung pagkabagets ka dito sa entablado. No, but thank you, Sir Alan. You're asking for is yung magiging challenge for this one. I think siguro first and foremost, karamihan po sa cast reveal, it would be their first project or ito po yung mga first or second, di ba? So, it's a challenge and a blessing as well, I would say. Kasi hindi pa na, and I'd like to look at it as a blessing, kasi hindi pa nakahaluan ng bad habits pag tumagal. Kasi sometimes we develop that. But yun yung kagandahan po ng I would say fairly new in the industry. I think in terms of challenge, the adaptation, doing an adaptation, yun na talaga yung challenge yun kasi there's certain expectations na parang kailangan mo talagang maging faithful sa libro and you can't go so far away or else the audience or the readers, the die-hard fans will feel deceived na parang ano itong pinapanood namin. So yun, that's one of the challenges na tututukan ko to really stay true to the source material sa imagination nila. Ako is si Ibarra, and make all the actors comfortable sa ginagawa nila. Kasi I think that's the secret ingredient lang naman sa chemistry. You guys asked about chemistry. It's really just trusting each other. Trusting your director, trusting your co-actors, trusting the production na nandito kami para alagaan kayo. Yun lang po yun.
What kind of director daw you are? Are you a strict director or kalma lang or parang you get friends with them? Parang gano'n?
Mabait naman po ako. No, ako kasi I always have a conversation with them na yung mga gusto ko i-impart sa kanila would be the experiences that I encountered. Yung mga challenges din, syempre nadapa, ilang beses na rin ako nadapa while in my journey, in my acting career, in that journey. Maraming beses na rin ako napagalitan on set, nasigawan. Maraming beses ako hindi nakapag-perform, tinanggal ako sa mismong project. So I would safely say na napagdaanan ko naman po siya. So yun, I promise that I'll be with them, holding their hand along.
Thank you.